Welcome to my channel Gaurang the Motivator. Today in this session we are going to talk about electric circuit symbols, then electric circuit and electric circuit diagram. So we will be discussing about each topic, okay, and I will display you the slides what has been done, because you need to see the symbols, you need to see what is the symbol of that particular electric components that we are using, as well as the physical appearance. So let's move on to electric circuit symbols. On the screen I have displayed you the component symbols and their physical appearance. The first one is electric cell. You can see the symbol of the electric cell and the physical appearance. In the electric cell, we should remember that the positive terminal should be a little bit longer than the negative terminal. Going to the second one, a battery. Battery is nothing but the combination of cells. So the symbol of battery is combining two or more cells with the positive and negative terminal. And the physical appearance also you are finding it on the screen. Coming to the third one, that is key or switch, what we call the symbol and its physical appearance. Okay, so that is a open switch or open key, we call it as. And coming to the fourth one, key or switch, which is closed. So the closed switch is given with a symbol. In between the two brackets we can find a dot, and the physical appearance you have seen there, that is in the third column, that is the switch which is closed. Next we have the electric bulb. Okay, so the symbol of electric bulb is also given, and the physical appearance of the electric bulb is also shown on the screen. Moving on to the next component, a wire joint. A symbol of wire joint is shown with where the two wires are meeting, we draw a node there, and the physical appearance of a wire joint is seen. Going to the wires crossing without joining, okay, we are showing it with a loop. In the symbol you can see the physical appearance of wire crossing without joining. Then we have the resistor, the symbol of resistor and the physical appearance of resistor. Variable resistor or rheostat. Okay, variable resistor is nothing but the resistor itself in which we can vary the values. Okay, whereas in resistor it has a fixed value. In variable resistor we vary the values, we can vary in the configuration whatever we need. Now on the screen I have displayed you an ammeter. It's a symbol with the positive and negative terminal, and the physical appearance of the instrument ammeter, which is used to measure the electric current. As well as we have a voltmeter. Okay, we are the symbol of voltmeter is being shown, and the voltmeter physical appearance also is shown there, which is used to measure the potential difference. Now that's all about electric circuit symbols. Okay, so this part is over. Now moving on to what do you mean by a simple electric circuit. Okay, simple electric circuit. Let's see it on the screen. A simple electric circuit is a continuous and closed path of an electric current. So here you can see on the screen the picture of a simple electric circuit. It consists of electric devices such as cell or a battery, what is mentioned, a bulb, a closed key, and the copper wires that are connected with the help of a switch, open circuit or it might be a closed circuit. Okay, so here this is a simple electric circuit, okay, which is closed, where you can find the bulb glowing. A simple electric circuit is being classified into two types. One is open circuit and the other one is closed circuit. So now we are studying about the open circuit. What do you mean by a open circuit? There you can find that the electric switch is in off mode, means it is not connected and the circuit is not complete. Okay, so this type of circuit will does not allow the flow of charges. Okay, so this is a incomplete circuit because the switch is in off mode. Next we go to the closed circuit. In this closed circuit we can find the switch is connected and the circuit is complete and you can find the bulb glowing. Okay, so here the closed circuit is a circuit in which the electric switch is closed or switch is in on mode and the bulb glows and the complete circuit works. Moving on to the third topic here, that is electric circuit diagram. Let us know what is electric circuit diagram and what is the difference between electric circuit and electric circuit diagram. My dear students, on the screen you can find two circuits here. One is a simple electric circuit. We have already studied what is simple electric circuit, which is on the left hand of yours. On the right hand side you can find the circuit diagram of the simple electric circuit, which is displayed on the left hand side. A circuit diagram is a graphical representation of an electrical circuit. A simple electric circuit which is on the left hand side, the same graphical representation is on the right hand side. So a simple electric circuit, what we have, the same simple electric circuit, if we represent it in the graphical form, we call it as electric circuit diagram. That is all about electric circuit symbols, electric circuit and electric circuit diagram. So in my next session we will be studying about Ohm's law, resistance and combination of resistance. Till then, stay tuned to my channel Gaurang the Motivator. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.